Watch this video till the end to get $1 per 1,000 views with 15 minutes of hard work and know the secret key of treasure that will make you a successful millionaire in your career. Dive with me into this secret golden formula that will change your life with some effort. In the end, you will appreciate me for it. The logic is simple. TikTok provides a great chance to make you a millionaire through viral and unique content videos that engage your followers and increase your video views. Numerous individuals are seizing this remarkable opportunity with minimal exertion. Take, for instance, the TikTok handle, Pluto Shorts, garnering millions of views by sharing enlightening space-themed videos, a genre that resonates deeply with viewers. Facts about the cosmos and universal truths effortlessly captivate audiences, holding immense potential to foster engagement and expand your follower base, translating into passive income within a brief span. Let's move to start the process that will make your TikTok videos viral with some easy steps, and you will be able to create these types of videos easily in the future. Go to YouTube and explore Space Channel videos, which have provided many impressive videos on multiple space-related topics. Watch videos one by one and select one videos that have many views and likes. After that, copy all transcripts of the video, go to Chatgpt and ask to rewrite this script in unique 1,000 words for 1-minute video. Paste your script in the chat bar and press enter. In a few seconds it will generate a unique script for you. Then you need a special voiceover for your script that engages your audience in your videos. Read all the script carefully and then go to 11 Labs for voiceover, because it has many impressive voices for any type of content. Paste your script in the chat bar, select one voice for your informative video and download it to your folder. Now you need the visual amazing and attractive videos to make your video more effective for your audience. Remember, you can generate these prompts with the help of Chatgpt. Otherwise, you can go to Pinterest and write your desired video keywords in the search bar and easily get these types of videos. Download these videos with the help of any Pinterest video downloader software and save them in your folder. Head over to Pika Labs and create 2-second animated videos according to your voiceover. For this, enter your prompts one by one and generate animated videos. Now you need any video editing software to combine your video and voiceover to make your unique video. I'm using a CapCut for it because it is more convenient for me, and you can use any other video editing software of your choice. Import your voiceover and videos, arrange the videos according to voiceover and make them more impressive with captions and transitions. With these easy steps, now your video is ready to publish. Go to your TikTok account and publish it with a catchy title and viral hashtags.
Imagining a 1-kilometer-wide asteroid's collision reveals harrowing outcomes. Simulating its impact on Earth's largest granite monolith in Australia, we confront stark realities. Such an event, occurring roughly every 6 million years, brings catastrophic ramifications. Upon entry,
be patient in making your video viral, and for 1 month regularly upload videos according to this type of content, then slowly you can go viral. Soon I will come up with new exciting unique ideas for making money from social media accounts with easy steps. Until next time, take care.